What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I don't even know what I'm gonna name it yet, but you know, it's just me out loud. So let's go back to the start. So today I'm gonna show y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell by the title, whatever I name it, we are gonna be rebuilding, well, kind of already have rebuilt it, but we're building right now a 2013 Dodge Charger SRT8 Super B. So I'm gonna show y'all some pictures before of what it used to look like when we got it from auction, and where we're at right now, and what we're gonna do later on. So let's go ahead and get y'all to the car. So this is the 2013 Dodge Charger SRT8 Super B. Got it in a nice bright white with factory rims on here, I guess. I don't really fuck with them though, I ain't gonna lie. Let me know if we're trying to cop them, I'll go ahead and get them going. But so yeah, we got, you know, Super B, nothing major about it. Got some defects on it. A little clear coat gone, ain't not much, but the main damage is just the front end. Y'all probably seen the pictures, but I'll show them already. But right now all we need is a bumper. I already got the headlights, the fender. Just need a bumper. I need a new hood, but I'm gonna use this hood for right now, just to have a hood. But let's go ahead and pop it, show y'all the interior while we at it. Sadly, I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't even gonna say sadly, I love these seats. Got the little Super B on them. Got 62,000 miles on it. But yeah, people be hating on the cloth seats, but I ain't gonna lie, in my opinion, fucking amazing. This is the engine bay on it. Shit, not too bad. I do need a cleaning though. You know, auction got it dirty. You know, we got some things going on, you know, for the headlights, because they're aftermarket and they're supposed to be HIDs, but we got halogen. Little bitty problems. Gonna get this all fixed up. Sadly, don't come with remote start, but I ain't even worried about all that. We're gonna close this mouth. Shit, we gonna give y'all a little start too. Hold on, set up the little camera. Not too crazy. It's really got only a muffler delete right now, but we gonna get some. We gonna get it a little louder, We don't like it being too quiet, but man, ain't much wrong with it as of right now. Just still rebuilding it. Got the black one over here too. Show y'all the garage while we at it. Got the black SRT8. Just copped this one too. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it from the distance as well. Got another one over there. So, I mean, as of right now, mine is the only one still getting built, but this one got things coming to it. Still, you know, still working on it. Got the Daytonas. Got the 345 badges need to get fixed. I mean, ain't got too much wrong with it. Just got clear coat. But other than that, I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker ride like a booty. I said booty like a beauty. Hey, go ahead and cop y'all some Graveyard. License plates, keychains, hoodies, t-shirts. You know, it's getting cold out here. But yeah, this one, we got it off the auction a while back. My brother's. It came with the Viper style hood on it, already color matched. I think it was color matched. I don't remember. But I got my headlights from him. Honestly, fuck with these ones more than the other ones everybody be getting, but hopefully mine is gonna be like a white version of this. I might get, I don't know about the Daytona wheels. They do look hard though, but you know, everybody gotta have their own set of wheels. Like this one got the Daytonas, this one got the 5 spokes, Mine just got the regular SRT8 ones, you know. Shit, ain't too bad though. Shit, let's give it a little volume on here. But you know, nothing crazy. Engine sound healthy and everything. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up right. As of the inside, I ain't gonna lie, this gotta go. We is not fucking with that, so nobody pay attention to that. We don't got no paddle shifters on here at the moment, but we will be getting paddle shifters on it later on. I'm gonna update y'all through that. But everything's running smooth on here. Let's see, yeah, I did that shit too cold. Coolant temp still and oil temp still below. But as of the inside, I don't know, not too much problems with here. I ain't gonna lie, I don't see anything broken. Everything on the interior came in pretty nice. Besides these lights, I ain't gonna lie. Let's turn the bitches on real quick. Oh, that one's just not working at all no more. That one be oh shit, they all flickering now. Fuck. I ain't worried about it. Nobody really needs those lights. And we got the front ones. As y'all can see, got the Super B logo. But yeah, I've already ordered some modifications to the car, even though I can't really get it on the road until we get everything settled and fixed. But I will be driving it around, making some videos on me putting the modifications on there, like the front bumper. Ain't even a modification, really just fixing it up. But I ain't even gonna say too much on what we're gonna do to it. But you know, we gonna have to get it lowered. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. Get it lowered, get it tuned, maybe an intake. But shit, that's for later. For right now, oh shit, now this hoe's turning on. But for now, we're just gonna have it stock. Working on replacing this. This can stay. I fuck with the SRT steering wheel, I'm not gonna lie. SRT8 steering wheel. Engraved SRT on the bottom. It all look pretty good, pretty good. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Let's see his. I ain't gonna lie, his does sound way better than mine. This shit ain't cold. He been started this shit. Say what up to the vlog.
What up?
Let's give him, hold on, let's give him. You going to work? Nah, it's cool, bro. He got a little time. Show him the interior. Oh, hold on. I didn't even get the seats in here yet. Look at the seats.
Wait, what you getting in?
Got the rag. Got the black Alcantara with the SRT stitching. See, this is what I need right here. And it come with the paddle shifters already. And going into the back, starlights. Ain't nothing too crazy, you know, everybody gets starlights nowadays, but you know, having starlights is always a better feature than, you know, plain black and no sunroof like mine. But shit, but look at it.
Yeah, it became like married. And me and Muhammad was to get together and we last through college. I'm damn near 30. Then like, and we not married yet. Well, bitch, we gonna be married by then. But like, I would get his name on my neck. But I
what the fuck?
That'll be hard.
Yeah, I don't know. This will come with active suspension, track mode. What's up with this guy?
I gotta go, bro.
Alright, he's going to work. Holy. But yeah, I got one of these. I got the whole bar in the back. But yeah. Alright, we back. Shit. We on the fucking head mount right now. We gonna get some. I'm gonna get y'all a little driving course of this shit. Get y'all a little feel of it. Let y'all know what's wrong with it. Got its ups and downs and just and shit. We should, oh fuck. Not my straight, my air straight. Oil temp's 118, coolant temp 132. I mean, it's somewhat warmed up. We'll give it a little second. We'll check. Y'all probably gonna hear what I'm talking about in a second. I don't know if y'all hear it already. I don't know how good or quiet the mic picks up. You heard that? That's it right there. So that noise was my shocks. That's what I was talking about with the suspension wise, it being my strut. Hey, shit, if most of y'all haven't put on coilovers or put on suspension, or you know, trying to figure out how to put suspension on a Charger, I'll put some clips. I'll show y'all how to do it whenever I get mine put in. I'll record a video of me putting mine in. But it's just a car not coming. All right, so yeah, I mean, as of right now, we're just taking it step by step, slowly but surely. But you know, y'all hear this bitch? Bitch is quiet. It don't got much sound to it. That's why we gonna have to make it a little louder. Who knows? We might see what exhaust systems we can throw on here. You know, don't want to go too loud where it's like an obnoxious good sound, or too quiet where, you know, I mean, this is decent. I ain't gonna lie. If you like the type of guy who likes, you know, I like to drive and hear it whenever I hit the gas, or you know, when I drone a little bit, just like to chill. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that eco mode shit, we're gonna have to do a fucking delete on that. Putting my shit in eco mode and shit, ain't nobody fucking with that. Let's go back a little bit. Whatever. Right now we're just doing a little drive. Shit. Yeah, I know y'all hear them shocks. That shit is not it. I mean, it don't really, like, obviously the noise is like, I don't really feel it when I'm driving. Obviously, you know, I feel the little ups and downs. That's about it. Nothing too crazy. Got a stop sign right here. What is that over there? Oh, that's a whole truck. We're not going that way. Let's see. Oh, somebody in the street right here. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to get as much car content as I can get going. Most of these might be just vlogs, honestly, because not every day you got something going with cars, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn, you be hearing that shit. Ooh, don't pull out on me, don't pull out on me. I don't know. You know, with me, I used to own a lowered IS 350 06. Then I owned a Q50. And then on the side, sold a couple of cars, like a G8, a white RT. But I don't know, these 6.4s, honestly, they're really just fun cars. I wouldn't really get on about speed. You could definitely make them fast. It's just you're limited with what you got. Let's put it in. We're in the manual mode right now. Damn, that shit don't be sounding good. That should be pissing me off. Gotta get to a stop right here. Getting a little buttery sideways, damn. We're in a little residential. Can't do too much. Damn, bro, the suspension shit it be hurting. Car is hurting on the inside, I'm hurting on the outside. Holy fuck. Going. Been driving for about 2-3 minutes now. this fucking light off. Holy, they keep flickering. You see that one in the back over there. But let's gonna just go ahead and cut this segment of today short. I don't know if this will be a whole YouTube video or like, you know, a whole little video, or later on add in more parts, or from whenever, you know, we get the bumper, the struts, the coilovers or whatnot. But I want to hear y'all opinions on the car. I want to hear what y'all think about it. What y'all have personal preferences with the 6.4s, with the SRT8s. Definitely gonna do some things to this. I want to give y'all the best content, the best type of, you know, entertainment y'all can get out of this. You know, some people like slideshows, some people like private pits. We definitely gonna get some things done to this vehicle. We're gonna get some things done. You know, definitely gonna enjoy the car and let other people enjoy it too. As of right now, you know, y'all seen the little screen, the bumper missing, got some parts, some defects so far, you know, some little cosmetic shit besides the bumper and the hood not being painted. I mean, not the hood, the fender not being painted. I also need to get that hood replaced. I'm thinking about going with the OEM SRT8 one, matching the roof with it too, going just satin black, or maybe even just wrapping the whole car.